How do you explain NLP model decisions in AI SaaS? Have you ever wondered how natural language processing models make decisions? Understanding this can help us appreciate how these tools work in artificial intelligence software as a service. Let's break it down in simple terms. Natural language processing models analyze text by breaking it down into smaller parts, like words and phrases. They look for patterns in language to understand meaning. When you input text, the model processes it through several steps. This includes tokenization, which means splitting the text into smaller pieces, and semantic understanding, which is figuring out what those pieces mean. After processing, the model generates an output based on what it learned during training. For instance, if you provide customer feedback, the model can categorize it as positive or negative. The explanation for this decision often highlights specific words that influence the outcome. In more advanced systems, especially those using large language models, the model predicts the next words based on a vast amount of training data. To explain its decisions, you might look at which parts of the input were most important or how the model connected different ideas to create a response. When using AI software as a service tools, explaining these decisions can be done in several ways. One effective method is through visualizations that highlight important words in the input text. This helps users see what influenced the model's decision. Another way is to provide summaries that clarify how the model interpreted the overall meaning of the text. Interactive interfaces can also be helpful, allowing users to ask why a certain output was generated. This encourages a more engaging experience. Dashboards can present model confidence scores or decision pathways in straightforward terms. This transparency helps users trust the AI tools they are using. Overall, explaining natural language processing model decisions in AI software as a service means turning complex processes into clear descriptions. This approach shows how input text leads to specific outputs, making it easier for users to interact with and understand these powerful tools.